Hello, this is Mr. Bradsby. It's a pleasure to be with you today. Let's do a little more mathematics together. Last lesson we talked about multiplication and we modeled multiplication problems. And we talked about if we had a problem like 5 times 3, okay, 5 threes, a lot of us would say, 5 times 3, we could take and do like just circles. So 5 threes. There's 4 threes, there's 5 threes. Or we could build the array. 1 space, 2 spaces, 3 spaces, 4 space, 5 space by 1, 2, 3. And either way we could count these up. 1, 2, 3. That's 3 over here also. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, and 9 here. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And the same thing here. There's 3, and 3 more is 6, 9, and 3 more is 12, and 3 more is 15. So these are the multiples of 3 again, multiples of 3, and that brings us into the idea of multiplication. We take 5 threes, we get 15, and that's what this problem up here says. 5 threes are 15. Well, here's a new model. I want to show you one more model for multiplication, and this is similar to the arrays, except we're just going to count the intersecting lines. So we have 5 by 3, which is what this is. That's what a carpenter would say. They'd say, you got a 5 by 3 here, and they write it 5 by 3. In other words, 5 threes. Okay, so we're going to look at a model where we do 5 threes, but instead of making squares here, we're just going to draw lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here's 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 3 lines. And so we count the intersections. So here's 1, 2, 3. Just like the other model, except we don't have to make it a complete box. We can just draw lines. 4, 5, 6 intersections. 7, 8, 9 intersections. 10, 11, 12 intersections. 13, 14, 15. Of course, I don't have to write these down all the time. All I got to do is count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So again, we get the same thing because, and this is a little different model. It's a quick model. Just draw the lines and intersect the lines. It's called the intersection model. And you count the intersection where they intersect and you get the same answer, but it's also a new model for multiplication. All right, let's do the intersecting lines. So if you have a piece of paper, and we can do some intersecting lines here, model. So what is 7 times 6? Okay, well, 7 sixes. So I draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, did you do that? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. Now 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, didn't quite get these out far enough, but there we go. Okay, so what we're interested in isn't the number of boxes, it's the number of intersections. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Whoops, what did I do here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I've got a 6 by 6. I'm supposed to have 7 by 6. See? Okay, so we got to have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, excuse me, I think I was okay to begin with. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's correct. The model's correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I can't count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42 intersection places. So the answer is 42. Okay, well, I kind of like this model. It's a little quicker for me. But if you want, you can use the circles, or you can use the array, or you could count the intersecting lines. All of these are models to do multiplication. Okay, the last part today is a little practice. We don't make the Olympics unless we practice. You know what I mean? You can't run a fast 100-yard dash if you don't get better and practice. And that's true of everything we do. So by practicing, it helps us remember what we're trying to do. And so I've got some practice problems here to work out these multiplication. Now I know that you did multiplication last year, and so some of these you probably already know because you've memorized them, or you know them. You just know what the answer is going to be. So you can just write down the answers, or for those that you don't remember, build a model and find the answer. We've talked about several models, so if any of these you don't remember, you can build the model and find the answer. That's why we're practicing here, so we can see if we can find the answers any way that we need to, so that we can do our multiplication. Okay? Do not use a multiplication table, okay? Take and try to remember what the answers are, and if you don't remember, use a model. And the teachers will check these with you in class and maybe provide some more practice. Enjoy your mathematics. Goodbye.